So now I'm using this as my measuring tool. Line this board up with the markings I made. Just draw a straight line. Hopefully it's straight. So now we put it over the next piece and do the same cut. So I measured this 2 more times for the shelves, but I might need to shrink them a little more inside so they can fit in the structure, not flush with the structure. The only one flush is this one because this is the very top. So because I have the structure already built, that is gonna go on here, but I can cut the door out of there. I got the top shelf and the middle shelf. All right, so the last cut, this is 24 inches wide. So obviously the 12-inch mark is where the halfway point would be. Last cut, let's go, guys.